Well, welcome again to Bromark Farms. Look at the wood shop here. Look at the garage. Look at the potatoes that Cindy dug up out of the beds. Good potatoes. Got some tomatoes and peppers. Got 5 eggs today. There's Kitty Puss. Hello, Delilah. Hey, Delilah. Kitty Puss. Come here. Come here, Puss. She's new. Trying to reproduce this right here. Can't get the plastic out of it, but see the shape of it? That goes inside the cat. That goes inside the trailer. Trying to reproduce this. It goes up here on this. It's a corner shelf. It goes like this up on this shelf, up on this cabinet. So trying to reproduce it, and me not being a cabinet guy, it's kind of hard. But yeah, the garage is in shambles, man. We pulled everything out of the trailer and we're trying to reproduce it. This is what I've done right here. See here. See. So I'm trying to reproduce it. See, pull that plastic out of there and put it in that door right there, on that frame right there. See, this is real wood right here, and this right here is that spongy wood. And every place that's got spongy wood in the trailer, because we did it because it's light, we're going to replace it with real wood. So as soon as I learn how to get this straightened out, it'll look okay. But right now, boy, look at the mess here. Let's go down there now. Got some beef here for my brother. Well, he'll be coming and getting that here. And got pull some pork out of there for breakfast in the morning. And let's get a chicken out. Look at this. Look at that chicken. Damn. It's a good sized chicken right there. It's got to be a good 6-7 pound chicken. Okay. So I'll not forget these when I go in the house. So, okay. Gonna take a break here and clean this up. Let's go close up the chickens. Hey, Samson. Hey, Kitty Puss. Nice. Okay. It's towards the evening. Looks like it's about 7:15. We've had a good spring, summer garden. Potatoes look good. We got a garlic out. Got a few strawberries. Got good tomatoes this year. So here's our fall garden that I planted. I posted this in a video, I think a week ago, a couple weeks ago. This is my broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. And what I'll do is I'll take the tallest out of all of them and replant it and start it out. That's a weed. We don't want a weed. Okay, it looks good though. Okay, and then right here is my greens. I got mustard greens, turnip greens, and collard greens in here. We're gonna grow them up like that and see what turns out. Okay. There's Samson. There he is, Kitty Puss. Okay. Love these marigolds. Look at them. Love them. I love the smell of them. Keeps the bugs away. Right here we're going to plant Swiss chard and spinach back in here. Okay. There's zinnias. Ain't that pretty? Pretty. Okay.